In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock or finalize a note in SimplePractice. Locking or finalizing a note is the last step in documenting your session. It preserves the clinical record with a time-stamped electronic signature and prevents accidental changes later. This is important for clinical accuracy, compliance, and clean billing, so we'll move carefully and make sure everything is complete before we sign. Start by finishing your note on the appointments page. You can write either a progress note or a psychotherapy note, depending on your workflow. As you draft, aim for clear, concise, and clinically meaningful documentation. Summarize the focus of the session, interventions used, the client's response, risk or safety considerations if relevant, and the plan or next steps. Tie your content back to treatment goals when appropriate. Keep your voice professional and objective and avoid unnecessary detail. It's also a good idea to double-check the service date, the appointment details, and any required fields that your organization uses so you're not interrupted later. When you're satisfied with your draft, click Save to store it. Saving ensures your work is captured, especially if you need to pause or come back later. Think of this as your safety net. If you're still refining language or verifying details, keep it in draft form. There's no pressure to finalize until you're truly ready. Once your note is complete and you're confident it